If you are searching for the best AIO cooler, then you are in the right place. Here we have selected top 5 best AIO cooler. Before we start our video, don't forget to like, subscribe and ring the bell icon for regular updates on our channel. By the way, start the video. Coming at number 5. Arctic Liquid Freezer 2240 CPU AIO Water Cooler. Arctic Liquid Freezer 2240 AIO is one of the best and most powerful water cooling solution on the market. With its powerful pump and cool plate, it can effectively cool your processor, graphics card and motherboard even under the heaviest loads. The Liquid Freezer 2240 is the second generation of the popular Arctic Liquid Cooler, featuring an innovative design of high-efficiency heat exchanger and powerful cooling solution. Next, number 4. Corsair ICUE H150i Elite Capellix Liquid CPU Cooler. Corsair's first ever fully integrated liquid cooling solution for the Intel Core i7 and AMD Ryzen trademark processors. The ICUE H150i includes a premium LED pump head, a smart RGB LED lighting system, and 3 RGB-enabled fans. The ICUE H150i's innovative magnetic levitation bearing reduces friction and extends component life. The 3 included 120mm fans have 8 bright RGB LEDs per fan and can be controlled separately, simultaneously, or in unison using Corsair's ICUE software. Then our list is number 3. Cooler Master Liquid ML240L RGB V2 Closed Loop AIO CPU Liquid Cooler. Cooler Master Liquid ML240L RGB V2 is one of the most cost-effective RGB AIO coolers on the market and comes with a price tag that is worth every penny. With the new Master Liquid ML240L RGB V2, Cooler Master has finally updated the Master Liquid design that has been in the works for the last few years. The redesigned cooler not only looks fresh, but it is as well. It is also a high-performance liquid CPU cooler that is a great option for those who are looking to spend less on a high-performance CPU cooler. Next our list is number 2. Corsair ICUE H100i RGB Pro XT 240mm Radiator. Corsair ICUE H100i RGB Pro XT 240mm radiator is the best solution for those looking for extreme overclocking cooling performance and unmatched looks. It features a two 120mm Corsair Mills Series magnetic levitation PWM fans. With their patented magnetic levitation technology and a fully digital power supply, the fans can spin effortlessly from 400 to 2400 RPM while operating. Finally, our list is number 1. NZXT Kraken X53 240mm AIO RGB CPU Liquid Cooler. The NZXT Kraken X53 AIO Liquid CPU Cooler is the largest radiator in NZXT's lineup with a massive 240mm radiator. The NZXT Kraken X53 is a 240mm liquid CPU cooler engineered to perform. It features an impressive 240mm radiator with a sleek design and massive copper heatsink for maximum cooling. The Kraken X53 has a compact form factor that fits nicely in your PC case, and a fully integrated pump with a single 120mm fan that makes installation a breeze. That's it for today, guys. These are the top 5 AIO cooler for you. Thanks for watching the video. See you soon.